Oh, yeah. Hello, Celine. How are you? Wow, very nice. See. Yeah. Now we are waiting of the school bus. And we are here in the building. The second one. Building. Where is it? Oh. Okay. We are waiting here of the school bus. So, you see? Oh. That one is our second apartment already. Before in the another side. And now, so we are here. Ayan na, the workers start working already. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, that one I put already, that one your snacks. Snacks only, I didn't bring lunch. Because it's parte, okay? Kaya that's why.
And me and Tommy we share.
Yeah, I share. Half na lang because I put only two. I bring only two, okay? Maybe that one is your school bus. Yeah, and there another side, that one.
No.
I don't know.
No.
Oh, no?
That's my
Okay.
school bus.
Yeah. Nilaguli bye-bye na ikaw. Bye-bye. Have a nice day to everybody.